We'll also have many tools to modify your rebar. So here, for example, I can split rebar in different ways. So if I go to split rebar, I can split rebar around openings. So if I select my opening, I can go to Naviate Structure, split rebar and opening. I can also split rebar in an interval. So I can go to split interval, select the interval I want to split in and the overlap factor, and then start picking elements I want to split. So I want to split these elements, these, and so on. When I'm done, I'm going to click Escape. Now I've splitted these elements into 6-meter pieces with an overlap. I can also split using a detail line. So if I go to a plan view, I can create a detail line. And here I can select my rebar and detail line, go to Naviate Structure and split rebar. And then I split the rebar set into 2 sets. I can also explode a rebar set. So if I go to Naviate Structure and explode rebar, I explode this to single rebars. And if I want, I can select some of those rebars again and create a rebar group. And when I group rebar, we're going to create a rebar set. There's also a functionality to move rebar. So if I want to move rebars, I can select the rebar, go to Naviate Structure and move rebar, and I can select the face I want to move this rebar to, which is this. That's an easy way of moving a rebar to a face.